Pen Elite. This is a portable vaporizer for dry herbs. Just about everything with the Elite is better. There's not much to this one, and that's a good thing. It only has two main parts, the body of the vape, and then the mouthpiece part. Probably the only tricky thing with this vape is getting off the mouthpiece. So what you do to get it off is rock it forward with your thumb so that it pops out a little. And then from the side, get your nail under there, and then it'll pull right off. Ease of use is one of the strongest points of the Elite. Not only is there very few parts, it's obviously not complicated to set up, but the vape is also easy to hold, very comfortable in your hand. And the most important thing is that beginners or first-time users will get good results quickly. It's very hard to do something wrong with this one. Now the mouthpiece is really cool, actually. It has like an internal air path that helps cool off the vapor, make it a little smoother, more comfortable, and it works well. The chamber's big in this vape. I'll get into that in a minute, but for now I'm just gonna pack it up with my ground up herb in my Space Case 4-piece grinder. And one of the huge benefits or advantages of this unit is you don't need to pack it tight. Just fill it up to the top. It's gonna hold 0.2-ish, 0.25, 0.3 if you pack it a little tighter. The full capacity, if you really stuff it, it's kind of like a half gram. All right, so now that I have mine packed, I'm just going to snap the mouthpiece back on. And then there's one button on the front. Click it 5 times. The vape turns on, but it's in standby mode. It didn't start heating up yet. So you can set your temperature first, which you do with these 2 buttons. So I have mine set at 375. That is what I recommend as a good starting point. Reason being, it's smooth vapor, but you still get a good amount of visible vapor. So it's a nice balance. So then to start the actual heating process, you then hold the button, let it go. Up, I waited too long, it shut off. All right, 5 clicks, it's on. Hold the button, let it go. Now, you're gonna see that it heats up pretty quickly. 30 seconds. And it'll be up to 375. If you start hitting it right away, right when it reaches 375, the first 2 or 3 draws, there's not gonna be a lot of visible vapor. That's normal. You're gonna get a bunch of flavor and whatever, and it just starts the process going. What you can do to get more vapor faster, like on the second draw, is just let it heat up for an additional 20 seconds. And that's also a good practice between draws. So to get the best results with this one, after you take a draw, wait 20 to 30 seconds before you hit it again or before the next person uses it. So it has a ceramic oven. The herb chamber inside is ceramic. That's good. That usually means nice pure flavor. So what I like to do is first vape most of my session at 375. Get a lot of the good flavor, get some decent vapor clouds, and then towards the end, I'll bump it up just to finish it off, get a few big clouds at the end, and really just, you know, vape the crap out of it. So I would consider this one like a hybrid or combo conduction, convection, you know, and that's how it's heated or how it heats your material. But what I like about it, what it's really good at, is evenly vaporizing your herb. Draw resistance is not bad at all. It's average, very tolerable, doesn't feel hard to pull from, not bad at all. On average, you can expect about a dozen draws per packing. If you really want to maximize vapor production, vapor density, strength, how many draws you get, you can pack this one full and tight, just grind a little finer, and you'll increase all those things. You also don't need to take a very long draw That's cool. That's another good advantage of this one. So the longer you wait between your draws, the shorter your next draw actually has to be. You know what I'm saying? So the taste, the flavor, the vapor quality, again, is better at the lower temperatures, 375 or below. You can even go under that and it's good too. You just don't get as much vapor. It's still good. Above 380, it trails off. You know what I mean? Efficiency is good, pretty average. From a 0.2, 0.25 packing, you can expect 10 to 15 nice draws. Battery life is about an hour of actual usage, varies depending on your temperature setting. And then it's gonna take a couple of hours to recharge. Has a micro USB charging port on the bottom, so it is easy and convenient to charge. Those are very common chargers.